Before you spend close to $100 on the BreezyMaxx Pro, there's something you should know because the marketing makes it sound like a breakthrough air conditioner. But the available evidence tells a much more complicated story. BreezyMaxx Pro claims it can cool an entire room in just 30 seconds, slash electricity bills by up to 90%, and even replace a traditional air conditioner using something called cool-core technology. Those promises certainly sound impressive, but there is no publicly available independent testing or detailed engineering information confirming that the device performs anywhere near those claims. Based on the product design and specifications that are available, BreezyMaxx Pro appears to function more like a compact evaporative air cooler than a true air conditioner. Unlike a real AC, it does not include a compressor or refrigeration system, which means its cooling ability is naturally much more limited, and typically works best only when placed close to the user rather than cooling an entire room. Another concern is the marketing itself. Many promotional videos and customer testimonials appear highly polished, with some showing signs commonly associated with AI-generated advertising or recycled promotional content. Similar portable coolers with nearly identical designs can also be found on wholesale marketplaces such as Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for around $10 to $15. While BreezyMaxx Pro is often sold for $90 to $100 or more under different brand names, the product is also marketed with permanent discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock messages that create urgency even though these offers frequently remain unchanged. Every summer, nearly identical devices seem to return with new branding and the same bold promises, aimed at customers looking for an affordable cooling solution. Customer feedback on previous versions is mixed, with some buyers saying it provides a small amount of personal cooling while others report that it falls far short of the dramatic room cooling claims seen in advertisements. Based on everything currently available, BreezyMaxx Pro may offer light personal airflow, but there is no convincing evidence that it can replace a traditional air conditioner or deliver the extraordinary performance suggested in its marketing. If you're considering buying one, it's worth setting realistic expectations and comparing its actual features with those of a genuine portable or window air conditioner before making your decision.